Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, today we're going to take one stocking and make a couple of cuts to it and turn it into 3 amazing projects. Want to know how I do it? Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here. I know that we're all busy, especially at this time of the year, but I appreciate you dropping in for just a few minutes because I am going to show you how to take this stocking. Got mine at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. We're going to make 2 cuts, and we are going to end up with 3 amazing projects. So I'll give you a closer look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, so here's the stocking that we're going to be working with. It's just one of those regular cheapo stockings that you can find at so many places this time of the year. I got this one from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So I am going to be doing some very economical paper crafting because here is what we're going to be able to make from just one stocking. The first thing that we'll make is this beautiful wallet. And you can see that I made it using the fur from the top. I have it closed with the Velcro dot. When you open it, you have a place to place your gift card or money, whatever you want to put in it. I added some little beads to the outside and put the word joy. Y'all, this is so stinking cute. And then we're going to make this awesome little Santa sack. I have mine tied, but it is wide enough to put a lot of goodies on the inside. So we have those 2 things that we're going to make. And then the third thing we're going to make is a 2023 picture frame. So you'll be able to place 2 photos on the inside to commemorate Christmas 2023 or a special event that might have happened during 2023. I can see this being perfect for baby's first Christmas or a couple's first Christmas together as a married couple. So beautiful, and it all came from one stocking. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'll be using my glue gun mainly on this project, but I will use some double-sided tape. But here's the first cut that we're going to make. So we're going to cut right here in this section where it starts to curve. So let's go ahead and just cut. And I'm leaving that cardboard on the inside because it helps to make this a whole lot sturdier to cut. And then we'll take this piece and right below the fold, I'm going to cut. So here are the 3 pieces that you'll need. We're going to make our little sack first. So I'm going to remove that inside and I am going to turn this inside out like this. Then I'm just going to take my scissors, and you don't have to do this. You can actually just glue it closed if you want, but I'm just removing some of that. So now I can take my glue and I'm going to place my glue on the inside like this. And if you're interested in the glue gun I'm using or anything else, please check the description box and click on my Amazon storefront link. So now we have this little baggie like this. And then I want to make sure that I'm not going to have any fraying. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue there and a little bit of glue right there to keep that closed. And from other stocking projects that I've done, I have actually saved some of the white fur. So I am using a piece of scrap from another project. You don't have to put fur on it. You can add ribbon. But I am just going to take some glue place that piece down. Then I'll add some more glue. I'm not adding a whole lot of glue. And I'll just keep adding glue to bring it around. keep adding glue here. And you can fold over your top, the red part. You can fold that in if you want a more seamless look. I'm okay with how this looks because it really is one of those projects that doesn't require very much. Add just a little bit of glue there. And now I can trim this. So now I have this sticker. It's old. So I am just going to add some glue to the back. Take this and place it right there. And y'all, I finally ran out of my red and white twine. So I am going to use some of this beautiful crinkle seam binding. And I'm going to have a link for this seam binding in the description box. There's also a 10% off code that is available. And now you can see that we've turned that into the sweetest little Santa sack to go with this one. Now I'm going to bring in the white fur so that we can make our gift card wallet. So we're just going to take this and I'm folding it up about 3 inches. Then I want a top coming over. That's going to take me to about right here. Notice how I'm not measuring. And this is how you're going to have the extra so that you can make the bag. For me, I didn't have that extra up front because I made the bag first. But if you make the wallet first, you're going to have the extra to go ahead and make that bag. So now I am going to take my scissors and just cut along the red stitch mark. So you're going to have a piece that looks like this. And all I'm going to do, very, very simple, is I'm just going to take this and fold it up. Now, when I place my glue, I'm only going to place a small amount along the edge. And then I'll bring this up and we'll make sure that it sticks. And this will hold a gift card. And then when I fold that over, I can see that it's longer than I want. So all I'm going to do is add a little bit of glue. And I'm just going to fold that there. And so now this piece will fold over like this, and we will secure it with a Velcro dot. And so I'll just take my Velcro dot, place it right there. Take this, fold it over like that. And there we have our wallet. So now I'm just going to take some stickers that I ran through my Xyron. And I am going to place those right there. And right there. And then once I press them down, they are going to stay. So again, I'm just going to add a few red beads to give it a pop of color. You don't have to put too many. So I just put those down and I am just pressing them in. And so now we have our second gift card wallet. Y'all, I'm not giving any sizes on these because a lot of it is eyeballing and a lot of it will depend on how wide the white band is on your stocking, because not all of those bands are created equal. So it's just a matter of taking this process and tweaking it to make it work for you. But I think that those are just so adorable. And so now we're going to make our little photo album. Very, very easy. So all I'm going to do on the first one, I just unraveled the thread. But on this one, I'll just go ahead and do this very quickly. Remove the seam. And I have some chipboard pieces that I'll be putting down. I have 2 pieces that are 4 by 4.5. And I have 1 piece that is 1 by 4.5. So I'm just going to remove my tape backers. And then I trimmed away some of the bulk from the middle here. And now we can take our pieces and we can place them down. I'm actually going to take this piece and place it down on the seam like that. And then I'll take this piece and we'll place it down with about 1/8 of an inch in spacing in between. We'll take this piece and we'll place it down with about 1/8 of an inch in spacing in between. And it might look like this is not going to hold, but y'all, it actually does. Once we get everything in place, it holds very well. So I am going to just remove some of this excess. Then I'm just going to go ahead and miter my corners. And so now I'm just going to take my tape, place tape across the bottom like this. Peel away the backers. And we'll pull this piece and fold over. Pull this piece and fold over. And now we'll take these pieces and pull them tight. And then we just fold it over into the tape. We're going to turn it over to make sure we have everything nice and stuck. And then I have a piece of cardstock that is cut at 9.5 by 4. But I am just going to trim that down to about 9 1/8 because I think that piece was too long. And I am just going to remove this backer. And we'll take this piece and we're going to place it down right here. Now, I didn't do too good a job of mitering my corners on this one, but I know that you will when you make yours. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my spines clearly defined like this. And there is the start of our little book. And then I'm going to take 2 pieces of white cardstock that measure 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. Add some tape and then just place those down on the inside like that. Let me get my second one. Adding my tape. Place it down on the inside like this. So for this one, I am simply going to take some red stickers and we're going to put down 2023. And there we have it, y'all. We've taken one stocking, made a couple of cuts, and this is what we end up with. So easy peasy and perfect for gift giving. So I hope that you'll take those stockings and look at them differently and see how you can cut them in certain spots and turn them into something that you might be interested in. I love all of these. I love how they turned out, but these are my favorites because I can think of several pictures I can put in here to give to someone as an actual Christmas gift. So I hope that you have enjoyed this super awesome way that we can take one Dollar Tree stocking or one stocking that you got from your favorite store and turn it into 3 of these projects. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, Be kind. Be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.